Hello everyone, this is your instructor, Address Oriakhale from Novatech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an auto shutdown file using a .vbs script. Steps to enable Auto Shutdown Protection. Step 1. Press Windows plus R. Step 2. Type shell:/startup. Press Enter. Step 3. Copy and paste autoshutdown.vbs into the Startup folder. Step 4. Keep the key inside of the folder and restart your computer. How this system works. After 10 seconds, the system will automatically shut down if the key file is not present on the desktop. The computer checks every second for the key file. If the key file is on the desktop, the computer will not shut down or restart. If the key file is missing, the system will automatically turn off. You can download the .vbs file from the description.